Hey friends, if shutdown options is missing in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So you will right click on start button and then you will select shutdown or sign out. But you will notice that the shutdown option is not here, or maybe this option is not in the list. Now, while there are registry level fixes, but the thing is that unless you're using a third party software, it shouldn't impact the registry. So maybe there are broken files or corrupt or missing files on the system. The first approach should be an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc space forward slash scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The next solution is to run the power troubleshooter. Press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command msdt.exe space hyphen id space forward slash power diagnostics, okay, and hit enter. This will open the power troubleshooter and then you can try running it. Now the next one is a system restore. So search for recovery in the Windows search bar and then click on recovery. Click on open system restore. Now if a restore point is not created, then you'll have to click on configure, turn on system protection, apply, okay, and then you can create it, okay, and this will create a restore point, but you won't be able to use it when you are creating it. You can only use it at a later stage. Once this is done, click on open system restore once again. Next, choose a good restore point. Next, click on finish and finally click on yes. And lastly, you can consider restoring the default power plan. Press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command power cfg.cpl and hit enter. Now click on change plan settings corresponding to balanced. Click on change advanced, click on these restore default settings for this plan and finally click on yes. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.